it's me again. What do I got for tonight? I have a couple of things. I went to an appointment over the border last week and picked up a vise for somebody. It was a Craftsman vise. It was in Burlington, Vermont. The fellow who bought it asked me if, actually it was a fellow who was on the Bench Vise group on Facebook, who I randomly talked to, just random people you know. Picked up a really nice old Craftsman, which was pretty cool. Didn't look at it at all, just picked it up for him and dropped it off. So hope you're enjoying that vise. But on my way back, I managed to stop someplace and pick up two smaller vices. So just to make things more exciting, I'm going to split this into two videos. And so the first video is this little toy. I'm going to put the thing down here. All right, now, first little toy is this one right here, this vise. I have no idea who makes it, who's made by. It's got a little horn on the back. It says made in, where the hell does it say? Hold on, I need glasses. I need my glasses. I forgot my other pair, so I'm using the ugly pair. Made in Japan. It's a Japanese made vise. It says made in Japan right under. Let me wheel this down here. I'll show you. There's the little made in Japan spot. Yeah. You can see the back. There's the side of it. Front. There's a number 5247 on the front, which is pretty cool. It's got a bit of a beating to it. It came with a, where is it? Somebody put a little wooden block on here just to make it so it stays. So it was originally like this, and when you wound it, the block stayed there. It's got a, it's like it's actually been used. I mean, let's see if this light works any better. It's got some abuse to it. Hammer marks. The jaws are in, looks like it was mostly used for woodworking, because there's a lot of woodworking debris inside. So I don't think I have one of these. It's got a couple of scuff marks on it. The jaws don't look too bad. There's no like screw-on jaws or anything, but I figure a little, take a little file cleaned up. I will probably just leave it like this. So yeah, that's my, I think I paid like $10 for it. Like, add it to my trophy shelf where I have, how many small ones I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, maybe 10 little tiny ones, which I think. So yeah, I'm working up the ladder. Maybe I'll try to work for 100. Anyway, I'll end that here. Just to add some more videos to my pile. It's no fun putting like 10, 20 things in one video. So just to keep this short. Anyway, click the subscribe button, like, all that stuff. And thanks for watching.